Is it inefficient to use carbon arc gouging for back gouging? Does carbon arc gouging produce poor quality? Let's experience the new automatic plasma back gouging immediately. Compared to manual carbon arc gouging, automatic plasma gouging has higher efficiency, better consistency in gouging groove quality, less grinding workload, and lower overall costs. Hypertherm plasma offers high-quality and reliable gouging technology that can be integrated with mechanical machines, robots, and intelligent vision systems. This brings efficient, intelligent, and reliable automatic plasma gouging solutions to the pressure vessel industry. It achieves high-quality gouging groove for longitudinal and circumferential welds, reduces requirements for skilled operators and labor-intensive welders, and improves the quality and stability for processing of pressure vessel.